My name is Faith Anyait. I'm a Mastercard Foundation Scholar at KNUST. I'm in cohort 7 and I'm reading Banking in Finance in Business Administration. I subscribed for the wig making class that was organized by the Mastercard Foundation for the summer camp. And so far, so good. We have been able to learn a lot of skills under wig making. That is ventilation, making of frontal wigs, making of closures, making of fringe wigs, and a variety of other things like styling. Through the skills that I have gained in wig making, I'll be able to transfer this same skill to my community members who will also use it to earn a living for themselves and better the community through the skills. So far, I've been able to ventilate on my own. I've also been able to make a fringe wig, and through the learning I got from my teachers and my tutors, I can do everything right now without any supervision from my tutors. And this is the same story for all of us in the class. We have all been able to learn and the impact is massive. I'd like to say a very big thank you, and I would like to send a lot of my heartfelt gratitude to the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program at KNUST for organizing the summer camp. And we're going to sit down with these skills. We are going to transfer them to our communities and make our communities better places and the world at large.
My name is Priscilla Quatin from Silla Beauty Essential Store. I'm the CEO. On this year's skill training program, we talked about the frontal rigs, the closure, the revamping, the styling of rigs, the packaging after one is done with the rig, and then the frontal installation as well as ventilation. I'm very glad with the results I'm seeing among almost all my students. So far, their level of attentiveness is very commendable, and they came ready, very prepared to be trained. With the response so far, some are done with their own wigs and then they are already wearing them beautifully like masters. Going forward, I think wig and ventilation should be taught among all the students on campus. On behalf of myself and my team at Silla Essential Beauty Store, we would like to say a very big thank you to the Mastercard Scholars Foundation Program at KNUST for this opportunity given to come assist students in the rig and the ventilation making.